Brother, imagine mouldy bread as a boyfriend, a whole boyfriend at home.
Is that wearing paper mache?
Do you want to see Corey DeRose? Everyone add Corey DeRose. Add your boyfriend. Why not?
Shout him out.
Shout out your boyfriend.
I will actually. Let me find his Instagram actually. That's a dad from the ball over there. I'm not going to internet connection.
What's your boyfriend's name?
Have you got internet?
Yeah, what's your boyfriend's name? Alright, I'm gonna hotspot you.
Okay, you
Alright, now what's your? Alright, cheers, mate. What's your boyfriend's Instagram?
I'm gonna get.
Just put it on my phone so I can shout him out.
Well, yeah, that's what I just said actually.
Hang on. Put in your boyfriend's Instagram.
No, his phone's on charger.
That's what I was saying.
Jeff wants me to take a picture. Can I take a picture?
Here we go again.
Alright, brother. Big up Corey.
No, fuck off. Don't.
Big up Corey.
Follow my now, actually.
Your bird's out here in Zante, behaving herself, wearing paper mache. You gotta respect it, honestly. Do the face of the cam. Your bird's behaving herself, lad.